Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using a dialer and a secret code, and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both, so let's begin with the dialer. So let's open it. Let's tap on the keypad and let me show you the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another option. So let's find and open the settings. Now let's tap on About Phone, choose all specifications, and here we have to tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you want to check the serial number, just tap on model and hardware and the serial number simply appears. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.